Hello everyone and welcome to Kimo's Kitchen. This is part 3 of homemade pasta. So if you remember, parts 1 and 2 yesterday were we first made the dough using the handy KitchenAid. The second part was actually shaping the dough, cutting the dough, drying, and then freezing. So today is really going to be a really quick video, and I just wanted to show you the trick to good pasta water for your pasta, right? So first thing is, this is the pasta that we made yesterday. We dried on the rack, and then I froze it because I wasn't using it until today. And because it has raw eggs, you can't leave it out on the counter for too long. Eggs will go bad. So we froze it, and it's fine freezing, but you gotta completely dry it first. It has to be hard and brittle before you bag it and throw it in the freezer. And really, to use this now, you can just take it straight as it's frozen and drop it in the pasta water. But the trick I want to show you is that pasta water has to taste like the sea. If you salted too much, you didn't salt enough, okay? The pasta will only absorb as much salt as it needs for it to be flavorful and for it to cook properly. So you can't really oversalt the water, but you can definitely undersalt the water. So watch what I'm doing, and we're not pinching a little salt in the water, right? No, we are salting the water, right? And that's probably about enough. You have to wait for the water to boil first. I didn't bore you with watching the water boil because that'll take, 20 minutes. But boil, salt heavily. It has to taste like the sea. And you can take a little spoon and sort of taste it. And then you drop your pasta in the water. Now, this pasta is going to cook really, really quickly. So I am actually not going to demo that because I've got a few other things going right now. Believe it or not, it's actually Christmas, and I'm cooking for the family. But I did want to shoot this video to show you how much to salt the water. And that's it. Drop the pasta in, watch it very carefully. It will cook within maybe a minute to a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Taste it, make sure it's al dente so it's got a little bit of a bite. And then the trick from there is I've actually got a ragu going here that's just kind of simmering. The trick is not to take the pasta, drain it, and throw in butter or olive oil so it doesn't stick. No, we're not doing any of that. What you are going to do is plates, set your plates out, take the pasta from the pasta water, plate it directly into the plates, and then take your sauce once it's done and put the sauce on the pasta and then serve it that way. Wet pasta will help the sauce bind, and it will actually be a lot more flavorful. Please do not use butter. Please do not use olive oil. This is really old school methods that we were taught here, and they are actually incorrect, and the Italians never do that. So let's cook like the Italians do. Pasta is Italian, so let's cook like the Italians do and do it right. And that's it. Happy holidays and enjoy your homemade pasta.